Hello Internet, welcome back to my channel. This is Robert and today we're going to talk about gears. Let's get down to business. Here it is. Ta-da! Let's open it. Knife. Got a knife right here. Alright, let's see what gear we have here. There you go. It's the new REI Flash Air 110. But anyway, there are two major things that I considered of why I bought this shelter. First is the price. This is priced at $249. You can get a ultralight backpacking tent without breaking the bank. And secondly, the weight of this backpacking tent. This is considered ultralight. It weighs 26 ounces. And you can see the name. It's specifically stated that it's for backpacking or bikepacking. This is the one-person tent, Flash Air, by REI Co. At minimal setup, it weighs only 1 pound and 4 ounces. How can you beat that? That's light. Anyway, inside you can find this. This is the tent. This is a single wall tent. The color is moss, mountain moss, which is I really like. I find it very attractive. And it contained its own pole. It's a three-fold pole, very light. It's a DAC pole, and another pole which you use for the foot section of the tent. And this one has what they call hub assembly, where you put it on the top part of the tent to create a space, a big space up in the upper section of the tent. It has also 5 stakes included, DAC aluminum stakes with a bag, and 4 guylines, great for tethering the tent when there's when the condition is really windy. By the way, another thing that is included is the this repair kit. You know, when the pole breaks, you can use this to, you know, somehow make a repair temporarily, so that you can still use your pole. And also the hub assembly has 2 different sizes of holes here. The small one is, if you use the included pole in this setup, you can just put it right here. I'll show it to you when I set up the tent. Or you can use the other one, the bigger one, if you want to use a trekking pole. So you can just leave this at home and just use the trekking pole, and you can still have a non-freestanding tent with you. So far, this is the lightest one-person non-freestanding tent REI has right now, and I'm pretty excited to use this. I'm gonna use this this coming weekend. I'm gonna do a through hike for 3 days, and let's see, there could be some rain, wind, and who knows, there could be snow. So yeah, let's go outside and let's pitch the tent and let's see how it goes. The fly vestibule protects your gear in bad weather, then rolls up over the roof for stargazing, or pitches out to create a large awning in friendlier weather. It has a large, easy entry canopy style door. And to give you an idea of how big or small the interior of the tent, I'm going in. Oh, by the way, my height is 5'5". For my size, I still have enough room, enough headroom actually. I can still sit up straight. Now, if you're 6 feet tall, I would recommend the 2-person tent instead of this one. The nearly 90-degree hub roof pole gives extra headroom. Foot pole increases volume at the other end, giving your tootsies room to wiggle for a comfy night's sleep. This setup includes 5 stakes, 1 for the vestibule door side and 2 on each end. Now here you will see a small pole attached at the foot section of the tent. Guy out loops allow for tethering in inclement weather. Hybrid single wall design, as with any single wall tent, exposes the tent interior more directly to condensation. Now mitigate this by choosing a proper tent site, like away from the water or under the tree, and exposed to breezes. The zipper, as you can see, is made of good quality. With just one hand you can just close the door easy. There are 3 ventilations in this tent, one at the foot section, head section, and one up above. The canopy fabric is nylon mesh, while the floor fabric is made of ripstop nylon. And it's already tape sealed, as you can see. And during the summer, you can just leave the door wide open and you can do stargazing at night as well. This tent is designed to pitch with most trekking poles, so you can leave the vertical pole at home to save weight. So for bike packers, light packers, and pick baggers, this is the lightest tent you can get from REI. So there you have it, guys. This is the Flash Air 1-person non-freestanding, the lightest tent that come out from REI. Yeah, pretty excited to use it. If you have any questions or comments, please write it down below this video, and I hope you enjoy this one. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and follow my adventure. Until then, bye bye.